Following the announcement of 12-hour total shutdown today by Kuki-Dominated Manipur in areas inhabited by Kuki community, thousands of Kuki-Zo people took up protest demonstrations at various locations in Churachandpur, Kangpokpi and Technopal districts. The protests have been organized to condemn the arrest of 5 armed Kukis by security forces from Tamenglong districts Phaitol and Kangpokpi districts El Hengjol recently. Protesters chanted various slogans against the arrest of 5 Kukis, claiming them as innocent village volunteers. Similar protest was also held at Kangpokpi district last night, with protesters shouting inappropriate words in Hindi against Kangpokpi DC. The shutdown started from 6 a.m. today and will continue until 6 in the evening. Kuki-Dominated Sadar Hills staged protests at Vengpi, Kaithalmanbi Military Council, supporting the 12 hours total shutdown imposed by Kuki-Dominated Manipur at Kuki-inhabited areas to condemn the arrest of 5 armed Kukis. Kuki-Dominated Sadar Hills alleged that the arrest of the armed Kukis from El Hengjong village by state force and central force is an act of violation of human rights. The Kuki-Dominated Sadar Hills also alleged that the security forces attacked the house of a village chief by firing over 150 rounds of bullets. The Kuki-Dominated Sadar Hills also urged the NIA and security force to refrain from partisanship.
The 10th July 2024, the Kuki-Zo population of Sadar Hills Kangpokpi district assembled here in Kaithalmanbi military colony, organized sit-in protest against the atrocities targeted towards Kuki-Zo volunteers organized by Kuki-Dominated Sadar Hills. The mission today was to send a message, firstly, to the central government that we do not appreciate this selected targeting of central forces and agencies amongst the Kuki-Zo population. We have seen it, we have been witness. There are social media videos everywhere. The central forces seems to remain inactive or rather incapacitated to apprehend or to arrest such miscreants based in Imphal Valley. That this kind of selected targeting of the Kuki-Zo volunteers is not appreciated by the Kuki-Dominated. Lynching or targeted arresting of Kuki-Zo volunteers continues. There will be other forms of protest being initiated by Kuki-Dominated.
Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum (ITLF) has also accused the security forces of partiality in their operations in Manipur. It also accused the central and state forces of threatening the lives of Kukis by firing towards their homes. In the press note issued by its Department of Media and Publicity, ITLF condemned the arrest of 5 armed Kukis from Jiribam districts, Phaitol and Kangpokpi districts, El Hengjol villages in 2 separate operations. ITLF claimed that the arrested persons are village volunteers and are not affiliated to any armed groups. ITLF further urged the central forces and state forces to release those arrested persons at the earliest.